We MIA. Gotta build in silence. Just call me up like 911, but I ain't coming with no sirens. We do or don't, we don't.
To start off, I'm going to be using Design Essentials foam wrap, Eden Bodyworks Control Edge Glaze, Spring Twist by Yibo in the color 2, Caddy Twist in the color T1B Burgundy, and Beeswax, which you'll later see. Now I'm going to split my hair in two, pin away the front, I'm going to take one strand of my Yibo spring twist and run my fingers across the strand. I'm going to take my nail of my thumb and my fingertip of my pointer to help do this process. This basically loosens any glue that's within the hair to make the separation process a little bit easy. Now I'm going to separate the hair into two. And then I'm going to use one piece out of the two that's separated for each twist. To start my twist, I like to do the anchor braid method. I'm going to anchor braid about several times and then begin twisting. With twisting, this is where I add my beeswax. When you twist, you do not want to twist as if you're doing Senegalese twist, which is basically rotating each twist. I know I keep saying twist a lot, but basically you're rotating each twist while you're twisting your hair, if that makes sense. I'm going to show you how your spring twist should look like with your twisting method. So if you do not separate your hair rather than fluff, you're going to have a chunkier twist and it's going to resemble a kinky twist. Do you see the difference? One is more of a corkscrew twist, which is what we're trying to get with the spring twist. It has a spring to it, and the other is more of a thick twist that looks like a kinky twist. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foam and my edge control and finish my style. And this is my spring twist. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at naturally_Izzy. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you don't miss any videos. And like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.